This is 913 East Stone Road in Wylie, Texas. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, almost 3,600 square feet, pool and spa on 2.2 acres. It's a beautiful property and I'm looking forward to showing it to you. One of the things I love about this property is that there's plenty of space in the front. You're far enough away from the main road here. We have tons of space in the back. As you can see, this is a beautiful space back here on the property. The owners cleared all of this land back here to make it usable, much easier for kids to enjoy. It does go back here to the creek, but you can just envision such a property that a whole family can enjoy. You can envision family reunions, kids playing football, soccer, just really just a great piece of land to own. This home has a great open concept. You've got beautiful natural light coming from all these windows in the house, beautiful hardwood floors, a really nice expansive kitchen, beautiful view of the backyard. You can keep an eye on the children. The master bedroom is situated on the first floor. You open up into a beautiful, large master bathroom, separate vanities, really beautiful, open, nice, airy, light feel to the bedroom. You're gonna love this extra bonus room in this house. It is on the first floor. It's a 20 by 22 space, great for entertaining. Kids can use this space. It's a place you can close off. It does have a wet bar. If you'd like to take a look at this house, please give me a call on my cell phone at 214-578-8665 and I'd be more than happy to show it to you.